The destination is on your left, Ngawi. Arrived.
Back in old tractors. Holy. Way station. Back here. Holy. Cold stuff. Yeah. This gangster. Yeah. Hello, doggo. Yeah. That's so cool. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to run blah blah. Pulling it up the hill. Yeah. Looks like a little truck. Fuck, the drawbar is so long, eh? Because the water like goes like that and it drops straight off. It's cool. Holy. It's crazy. Fuck, that's crazy. Holy. Yeah, drop the blade on the ground. Ngawi. Oh, that's the one with the big caterpillar. Old mate's off home. He's done his job. Yeah, it's got the big bulldozer for it. Oh, this is the big Komatsu. Yeah. That's cool. Fucking dropped the blade a few times. There's a little face on it. Holy, Alice Chalmers. Fuck. That's old school. There's another kit. David Brown. Oh, that green colours, man. Back there, one's got a winch on the back. Big old school fucking forestry winch. It's crazy. that one's old school. Holy. What is that? It's Komatsu. Yeah. Fuck. It's like an old forestry one too.
Oh, that one I used for sale.
Yeah, big boat, eh?
Why did it have so many tires?
I went so when the boat squishes into it, when it's real rough, when it goes. Fuck, that Komatsu's mean. Yeah. Fuck, it's a nice bulldozer. Holy. Fuck, that's nice. So it's the rust. Yeah, D7. Fuck, that one's mean. Holy, it's huge. Fuck, it's got a huge ripper. Fuck, that's insane. No problems pulling that big boat. There. Another Komatsu. Fuck, that one's nice. Its flaps open. Fuck yeah. Yeah. Komatsu. That one's cool. Oh, that was the one that was going. It's an old sloop. No, there is a. Must be that ute. Yeah, that's an old school. Alice Chalmers. Must mean he was going in there. Yes, mate.
You were right in my line of fire and the sun was in my eyes and the
Not today. Apart from that, plain sailing. Yeah, he must be going out into that one, eh? The boat's gonna come in before he's even in it. Might as well watch it from here, it's gonna come into the spot. That's what I was saying. Boat's waiting already.
Look at the old fella.
What's that? Come over here if you want. Come into the sun. Yeah. Nice. Just like a professional. Bit of a bumpy ride. Yeah.
You'll be used to it.
Yeah. Like, it's crazy how you pull them up though, eh? As everyone would say, it's crazy how you pull them up with the bulldozers though.
What?
Oh, I suppose it's normal here, eh? Because of the rocks.
Nothing normal. It's been going on for 50 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nothing new.
Yeah, it's awesome, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Is there a big drop off off
No,
the rocks,
beach,
is
the
it?
beach carries on out on the same angle as it is now.
Yeah.
Just a bit of a lump at the water's edge. So it just keeps on going out.
Yeah.
And the reason they use bulldozers is because it's too soft for wheels.
Yeah, you get stuck. Yeah, dig in.
Yeah. So we used to...
From Carpety. Not
Oh,
far.
is that all?
Yeah. I just haven't been down here since like 2005. We used to come down here for the big three.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah. So I haven't been down here since I was a kid. And I remember when I was a kid, I was like, wow, the bulldozers. As we all are, and running around while all our parents are on the piss. Fucking, it was awesome, eh? It was good times back then, eh? Yeah.
Times are still good if you make them. You've got to
Yeah.
make good times.
Yeah.
Good times are automatically fun. I've been coming here for a long, long time. But yeah, it's still the same.
Yeah.
Same old place.
Yeah.
Few more people here. A bit more bloody nicely finished patches, etc.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely, eh? Is what?
Bonfire.
Oh, yeah. That's cool, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there is a lot of growth, eh?
I'm cold. I'm going car.
Never noticed that waterfall. Just do little videos on the side for YouTube. Just nothing special.
Oh, okay. Well, I should have got me pets and showed the bare ass.
I love that.
Yeah.
Nah. Yeah. Oh, I better move.
Alright, you get on
Reckon-
your way, guys. I'm going to put these guys back in.
Yeah. Far out. Put them back in. Must be yeah. It's crazy. Fuck, that one's cool. Little one. Daisy.